Hi everyone, I'm Terri Pascarelli with Realty One Group MVP, bringing you your Naples real estate market update for September 2025. September is usually one of our quieter months, but this year, the greater Naples real estate market took a turn. We saw stronger buyer activity, more pending sales, and growing confidence. Will that set the stage for an active fall and winter season? Let's take a closer look at what's really happening in the greater Naples area real estate market right now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll review the September 2025 real estate market data for the greater Naples, Florida area housing market. The data shared today comes from the Naples Area Board of Realtors, reporting on all of Naples and Collier County except for Marco Island. Let's get started. September is historically a slower month in Southwest Florida real estate, but this year, pending sales in the greater Naples, Florida area increased more than 21% compared to September last year, rising from 622 to 753 pending sales. That's not just an improvement year over year. For the first time since before the pandemic, pending sales in September outpaced September 2019, which were the pre-pandemic levels. This increase in pending sales is helping to close the gap in overall inventory, which has dropped from a 13-month supply in January this year to just over 7 months by the end of September. One of the biggest reasons for this stronger performance? Well, we've had a calm hurricane season so far, something that has absolutely helped to keep showings, travel, and closings on track. Even with better market activity, not every segment is moving at the same pace. In the luxury market, many property owners are in a comfortable position. They don't need to sell. But holding on to an overpriced property can also be expensive. With home prices trending slightly downward in most price ranges, carrying costs, lost investment income, and maintenance expenses are adding up, especially for high-end listings that have been sitting on the market. For sellers, it's important to remember that today's buyers are informed and they're patient. Overpricing a home just to wait for the market to come back may or may not be a winning strategy right now. We're not seeing indicators of price increases in the short term. So for anyone planning to relist before season, pricing competitively will be the key to attracting offers and getting to the closing table. The median close price across Collier County came in at $550,000 for September 2025. That's down about 6% from last year's median of $586,780. Most of that median price reduction came from the condominium market, which saw median close sales prices down 9% compared to the same month last year, while single-family home median closed sales prices were down, but only 1.5%. However, it's important to keep perspective that all of these prices are still above pre-pandemic levels when the median price in the greater Naples area was closer to $325,000 back in 2019. The ultra-luxury segment, and that's homes that are priced at over $5 million, have actually seen prices rise more than 7% year over year, up from $7 million to roughly $7.5 million. So, while pricing is adjusting in the broader market, luxury homes are holding their value and in some cases gaining ground. That balance between normalization and strength is a big reason why the Naples market remains resilient. Lower interest rates and easing insurance costs are giving buyers more room to move. Closed sales rose 10.7% year over year in September, with 602 homes sold compared to 544 last year when we did incur storm activity. That marks the fourth consecutive month where both pending and closed sales outperformed the same period in 2024. More buyers are qualifying for financing again, especially in the mid-range price points. That's great news for both sides of the transaction. Buyers are looking for more attainable options, and sellers are seeing more motivated activity. A key question is, how is home inventory heading into the final quarter of 2025? Well, overall, inventory grew slightly in September, up 3% year over year to 4,804 properties across Collier County. Based on the pace of September's closing, single-family home inventory is down slightly by about 0.5%. However, condo inventory is a different story, up 6.5%. New listings are somewhat slower than this time in 2024. There were 972 new listings this September, down about 11.5% compared to the same time last year. That's created something we spoke about for the past few months. It's a factor that is called a shadow inventory. These are homes that were pulled off the market earlier in the year and haven't been relisted yet. Some of those properties are expected to return before winter, but we don't know how many, and that could shift dynamics again as Naples' more active winter season approaches. Geographically, the Naples Beach area, and that's zip codes 34102, 34103, and 34108, led the way with a 54% increase in single-family home sales and a 23% increase in condo sales compared to last year. Meanwhile, East Naples saw slightly fewer single-family closings, and Central Naples was the only area that saw an uptick in new listings this month, up about 8%. So while some neighborhoods are seeing rapid movement, others are stabilizing or waiting for more inventory. It really highlights the importance of working with a local expert who knows the nuances of each community and geographic area and the price ranges that you're looking at. Overall, local real estate brokers reviewing the data are getting optimistic. The steady rise in pending sales, the higher number of September closings, and lower interest rates could be setting the stage for the winter selling season. We're seeing signs that sellers are adjusting expectations and serious buyers are thinking about stepping forward again. That balance is what creates a sustainable, healthy market, something Naples has been known for over long periods of time. So what does this mean for you? If you're thinking about buying, now is a time to take advantage of a more balanced market and motivated sellers. If you're considering selling, start by educating yourself to price strategically and realistically. Then prepare your property for the winter season when there are usually more potential buyers looking at properties. And if you just like staying informed about how Naples real estate is evolving, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't have to miss the next market update. I'm Terri Pascarelli with Realty One Group MVP, keeping you connected with the latest insights on the Naples real estate market. You can reach me at 239-300-6047. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month. But in the meantime, the next video you should watch is in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There's a lot of good information about living in Southwest Florida, and I'll see you there.